Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tasks to make your life a bit easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to change your billing address on your MasterCard. Whether you've just moved, spotted an error, or need to update for security reasons, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. It's a simple process, but we'll go through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. First off, why bother? Keeping your billing address up to date ensures your payments go smoothly and helps prevent fraud. To get started, you'll need a few things: access to your MasterCard account through your issuer's website or app. Think Chase, Bank of America, or whoever issued your card. Make sure you have your login details ready, and if you don't have an online account, you might need to set one up first. Step 1. Log in to your account. Open your web browser or app and enter your username and password. Once you're in, look for the dashboard or menu. It's usually in the top right corner. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. This might be labeled as Profile, Account Details, or Settings. Click on that to proceed. Step 3. Find the Billing Information section. Here, you'll see your current address listed. Look for an Edit or Update button next to it. Step 4. Enter your new address. Be precise. Double-check the street, city, state, and zip code to avoid any delivery delays or errors. If required, you might need to verify your identity with a code sent to your email or phone. Step 5. Save your changes. Hit the Save or Confirm button, and you should get a confirmation message on screen. Often, you'll receive an email notification too, so keep an eye on your inbox. And just like that, you're done. If you run into any issues, like access problems or errors, don't hesitate to contact your card issuer's customer support. They're there to help. Remember, processes can vary slightly by issuer, so if something doesn't match exactly, check their help section. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next one.